Hello creators, it's Matt with MyDesigns here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your first collection and upload your first designs. So let's get started. Once you create an account and get logged in, it'll take you to the dashboard page here. What we want to do is navigate to the listings tab on the left-hand menu here. Once here, this is what it will look like. In order to create a collection, all we have to do is go to the top here next to listings and click this home button. You'll get this pop up and then we can click add folder, which is what we call a collection. It essentially is a collection of your designs. So we'll go ahead and click add folder. I'm going to just name this Camping Demo 2024 and we're going to leave the default template, and then I'm going to go ahead and click add new folder. Now you'll see I have a ton of folders here. Yours should just be showing a single one, so I'll just search this here, camping at the top. We'll click Camping Demo 2024, and then once here, you just click Open Folder. So that's how you create a collection. The next step is to upload a design, and we can do that by going to the top right corner here and clicking Upload, Upload Files. And then you can either click or you can drag and drop your files. I have them open on a separate monitor, so I'm just going to go ahead and select about 5 designs, and then we'll drop them here. Now you'll see it says ready to upload. After we preview them, then we can just go ahead and click Upload All, and then Upload Designs. And that takes just a second. You'll see it says pending on them or creating a listing. Once that's done, I'll go ahead and show you what this looks like here. Should just take a couple more seconds. Great, and now that that's done, you can see there are our 5 designs, and that is how easy it is to create a collection, upload your designs, and get started.